Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi, and in this video I'm gonna solve another math of our series, and actually this will be an English version, and after this video which we will get, and most of the video will be in English version, and then you can see which problem we will solve today. Anyway, so let's get started. So now look at the board first. I wrote here a problem. You can see let's read the problem first. What is the value of C if the numbers, here is one number, this is 241A, 5B, 3C, and then 147B, 8974 are divisible by 9. So mainly these are two numbers he is given and told us that numbers are divisible by 9, and then here you can see you can have C, but you don't know what is the value of C, but you just know what is this is divisible by 9. But in the question, what is the value of C given us? So mainly I have to find what is the value of C. So first of all, I have to select a pen first, and then if you look at here, you have to know what is the formula of divisibility by 9. You have to know first. So listen the formula. If the summation of digits in a number, if that is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. So you have to know the formula first, otherwise you can't solve the math. Okay, so we know that if the summation of digits of this number is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. So that means first of all I have to find the summation of digits. So let's write the number first. This is 241, 2 plus, mainly I have to find the summation. So I will add these together. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus A, 1 plus A plus 5B, 5 plus B, then C, 3 and C, sorry, 3 plus C. So what is this? Equals to, you have to find the summation. What is the summation of this? If you calculate this, so you will get here one thing is ABC. You don't know the value of ABC, so you will write it in the same ABC. Oh, sorry, here is selected eraser. A plus, B plus, C plus, and what is the summation of these? These will be 15. Okay, this will be 15. Anyway, and if you find the summation of the second number, it will overwritten. Anyway, if you find the value summation of the second number, so you will get 1 plus A, 7 plus, and then B, 1 plus 7 plus B plus 8. So what are the next? 9, then 7 and 4. 7 plus 4. So what will be the summation of these? This will be, if you calculate this, so first of all A plus B, A plus B, and then if you calculate this, so you'll get 36. Okay, 36. After that, you got the summation, you found the summation of these two numbers. But if you look at here, the summation of this is not a fully clear confirmation number, because here is A, B, and C. So what to do? Now you have to, if you think in your brain, so you can find, and you can also solve this by modular arithmetic, and this is a very easy process. But for the beginners who don't know about modular arithmetic, so this is gonna be very hard for those students who don't know about that. So if you don't know about this, so no problem. If you just think about this math, so you can solve it easily. So that is, if you can see here, okay, I'm selecting a pen. first, then you can see the 36, is the 36 divisible by 9? Yes, the 36 is divisible by 9. So, and 15 is not divisible by 9. And if you think about this for a case, you can solve it by a case. So if you take a plus b equals to 0, okay, I'm taking, you have to write first, if a plus b equals to 0. Will this equation work? So if we write here for this equation, so you will get a plus b plus 36. So you know the value of this is the 36, and if the x is 36, so 0 plus 36, which will be 36, if a plus b is 0. And here you can see the 36 is divisible by 9. So this case is working for this place, and it will work for this one. Okay. If you work for this, so you will get a plus b plus c plus 15. Yeah, exactly, 15. So, do you know what is the nearest number of 15 which is divisible by 9? You have to know, that is 18, because the previous number is 9 and this is very far away from 15. So you have to take 18 here. Okay, so you will take 18, because you know that 18 is the most nearest number from 15, which is divisible by 9. So here you will write this. And don't you know the value of a plus b? Yeah, of course you know. You know this is 0, and this is gonna be c and o. If you work in this place, so you can, this in summation, so you place it in the right hand side, then you can, what will be this? This will be 3. If you subtract this from 18, so you will get this. And then c equals to what? C equals to 3, because 0, this cut, no way. If you transfer that from that place, so you will get the same thing. So c equals to, again this selected, c equals to 3. So mainly, finally, we got that c equals to 3 is our final answer. And here, this was a very easy math, just and if you use modular arithmetic, so you can solve it even in 3 lines or 4 lines. But this is gonna be a little hard for a beginner student. And if you can't solve with modular arithmetic, so you can apply this process. But you can see here is 36 is divisible by 9. So you can, that means you found a clue, or you found a way to solve. And then you'll use this way to solve. And then you can find finally this one, that is c equals to 3, and you can say this is our answer. So anyway, we found our answer. So I think you all understood this very much. And because this was a very easy math, of course you must understood this, because if you can't understand this type of math, so when you will face a large, very hard math, so you can't solve it then. And because you don't have enough large time or enough time to getting preparation for those math, but you have to take preparation very quickly, because the BdMO is coming soon. So, and then you have so many topics you have to know if you can't understand it. So if you can't understand this, so watch the video again from the first. And if you face any types of problem, so of course comment box is open for you. You can write there. I'm ready to reply you. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and focus on your study about BdMO. And of course, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.